All right, we're back
Hey.
for the video. All right, this is with the music. So forgive us if that dog get up because he's supposed to stay.
So you gonna watch this? They gonna watch the stroll?
Yeah, we're gonna do the show. We're gonna do maybe 2 rotations. We're gonna do too much because
got it from here.
yeah, because honestly, you don't really need this video because we're gonna have another video. But
you don't.
We'll get y'all together. All right. So the dance is called A Really Hot Stroll.
A really hot stroll.
Let's go.
You stay, Diesel.
You stay, Diesel.
So we gonna go just do a couple. We gonna do a little circle right here.
I'm gonna let you do the walk off everywhere else. I'll be right here to hold it down.
What?
There you go.
All right, getting ready to stroll. Here we go. Hear that beat?
Get ready to rock it out. 5, 6, rock it out, rock it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Hey, and out and slide. V step, let's go. Ooh. Pivot turn. Pimp walk.
Walk it up.
Hey, we gonna thrust it. Bam. Down, swear to hill.
Right.
Giddy up. Oh, that's 2.
Giddy up.
That's 3.
Giddy up.
That's 4.
Giddy up.
5.
Giddy up.
6.
Giddy up.
7.
Giddy up.
Start over. Slide. V step. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pivot turn. Pimp walk. Walk it out. Let's go. Pump it. Boom. Bam. You better throw your A sign up. Swirl it out. Yeah, swirl. All right, giddy up. She thought I was talking to her. Okay. Good stuff. You got the dance now.
Hey. Ha.
So you already know when you hear that song, you better get in line. See hopefully whoever's leading it is leading it strong, but I know we're gonna be in there. And you can have like 2, 3, 4 lines. Just need some strong leaders. That's all that matters. You know what I'm saying? So have fun with it.
I'll be gone.
A really hot stroll is going down. See y'all in a dance party near you.
Look, there's my A sign with the mic.
A sign with the mic. It looks kind of funny.
It does look funny.
All right.
Peace out, y'all.
Deuces.